Help!
Contract failed.
Help! Mamma mia! Help! Help me!
Lahat to.
Patay mo! Sige, tatari mo! Pwede yan! Sige, tatari mo! Putang ina! Sige! Sige, tatari mo! Putang ina!
Itro ako po ka ng ina.
Yung kaibigan mo ano.
Gas is
Sugurin mo!
closing
Sige!
in.
Mag-ispo ka! Sige! Oo! Sige! Sugurin mo na! Putang na!
engineer!
Sige!
Holy
Sige!
shit!
Sugurin mo na!
Go get
Putang
after
ina! Meron ka smoke!
Myself.
Yun lang.
I can't get
Very
the
posted ako,
gun.
guys.
I
All
keep
squad members are in the safe zone.
Hostile mosquito is online.
Hello, I'm back.
You got reinforcements.
Sige, andyan na!
Signed, sealed, and delivered. Great job. You're not done yet. Here's another target. Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Ay, ako pala to.
Contract failed. Objective lost.
Here, here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Ang pagbaba mo, may mag-snipe, ganon. Napatay ka na naman. Gila sa laro eh.
Ano ba yun?
Enemy buy station deployed.
Kaya pa ako nadadown.
Windows closed. Back to standard procedure.
Ano ba?
Confirmed. You located the rest of them.
Ikaw naman yun.
Oh, the motherfucker.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
Good.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
Nasa loob ako.
Oh, may nulog.
Walang to. Okay, lemon to ah.
Your squad mates redeploying. Well done.
Squad wipe po. Mamma mia.
Tama dyan.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
It's the ano.
Hostile advanced UAV deployed.
May armor kayo. May harap.
Ay, sabi mo gusto mo eh.
Oh my god!
Still standing.
Uy, gago.
Opportunity to do better.
Ang ganda na skin mo.
Mulay mink.
Pink.
Mamink, mink.
Mink.
Mink, mink, mink.
Mink, mink.
Mamink, mink.
Morgan
Mink,
min.
mink. Oh, ngongo na yan, JB.
The skin is so cute.
Kami na yung Morgan min.
Martin me.
Namin yung ngunglay. Ni Honor. Inamin mo, ngolor. Ini ngulay.
Mink. Mamink, mink.
Asa
Dala mo.
Okay nang inang attack on tayo. Ito kailan ba matatapos?
Walang pusin.
May sequel daw ah.
Yan o. Movie na naman. Putang, alam mo matatapos to.
Tapos ano na naman, nag-respawn na naman si Erin mo. Sa katawan ni Gabi.
Use this time for some target practice. Real things coming soon.
Putang ina. Ano niya ito ngayon?
Ano na?
Stop.
STG, tsaka